Stop wasting money on expensive nerve creams and miracle pills because the real reason your hands are tingling and your legs feel weak may be hiding in something your body stopped producing years ago. After age 60, collagen production drops by nearly 1% every single year, and researchers from Harvard Medical School found that adults with low collagen intake showed up to 38% more mobility problems and significantly higher rates of nerve discomfort. That means the numb fingers, shaky knees, burning feet, and weakness you blame on aging may actually be your body crying out for structural repair. And wait until you hear about the #1 collagen snack today, because most seniors walk right past it at the grocery store, even though it may help strengthen muscles, improve circulation, and support nerve insulation naturally. Before we dive in, tell me your age and let me know in the comments where you first noticed weakness or tingling. Was it your hands, your legs, your feet, or your shoulders? I read every single comment because your stories help other people realize they are not alone in this battle. Now let's count down the 8 collagen snacks that can help your body rebuild strength from the inside out, starting with the least powerful and moving toward the absolute best. Number 8 is pumpkin seeds with collagen yogurt, and most people have no idea this simple combination acts like a repair crew for aging nerves. Researchers at the University of California discovered that magnesium deficiency is common in adults over 70, and low magnesium levels are strongly linked to muscle cramping, nerve tingling, and fatigue. Pumpkin seeds are packed with magnesium and zinc, while collagen-rich yogurt supplies amino acids your body uses like building blocks for tendons, joints, skin, and nerves. As we age, the body experiences something called anabolic resistance. That simply means your muscles stop responding to protein as efficiently as they once did. Think of it like trying to water a dry garden with a weak hose. Your body needs a stronger signal to rebuild tissue. The collagen peptides in yogurt help deliver that signal, while magnesium relaxes tight muscles and improves nerve communication. I remember a patient named Gloria from Tampa, age 74, who constantly woke up with numb hands at night. She started eating a small bowl of collagen yogurt with pumpkin seeds 3 evenings a week. Within 6 weeks, she told me she could finally button her blouse without frustration and even return to gardening again. The best preparation is simple. Use unsweetened Greek yogurt with 10 grams of collagen peptides mixed in. Add 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds and a few berries for antioxidants. Eat it in the evening because collagen repair accelerates during sleep. Pair it with vitamin C from strawberries or kiwi because vitamin C acts like the spark plug that helps collagen formation happen efficiently. Number 7 may surprise you because it sounds old-fashioned, but bone broth soup is one of the most powerful healing foods your grandparents ever consumed. Researchers at the Mayo Clinic reported that collagen-rich bone broth contains glycine and proline, amino acids directly involved in joint cushioning and nerve tissue support. One study showed seniors consuming collagen daily improved walking speed by nearly 15% in 12 weeks. Here's what they never told you. Bone broth works especially well for seniors because aging digestion becomes weaker. After age 75, stomach acid levels can fall dramatically, making it harder to break down dense meats and proteins. Bone broth is already partially broken down, almost like pre-digested nutrition, so the body absorbs it with far less effort. Think of bone broth like liquid scaffolding. It gives your body the raw material needed to patch tiny cracks inside muscles, tendons, cartilage, and connective tissue. That matters because weak connective tissue can compress nerves and contribute to tingling sensations. A retired mechanic named Leonard from Phoenix, age 79, struggled climbing stairs because his legs felt heavy and unstable. He began drinking 1 mug of homemade bone broth every afternoon with lunch. After 2 months, he said his knees felt steadier and the burning sensation in his calves faded enough for him to walk his dog every morning again. For the strongest results, simmer beef bones or chicken bones for at least 12 hours. Add garlic, celery, onions, and carrots for minerals and anti-inflammatory compounds. Drink 1 cup daily between meals. Pair bone broth with black pepper and turmeric because turmeric reduces inflammation, while black pepper increases absorption by nearly 2,000%. Number 6 is sardines on whole grain crackers, and this little snack may protect aging nerves better than many expensive supplements. Sardines contain collagen from their soft bones and skin, but they also deliver omega-3 fats that reduce chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is like rust spreading through the body. It damages blood vessels, slows circulation, and starves nerves of oxygen. Scientists from the National Institute on Aging found older adults with higher omega-3 intake maintained better grip strength and faster walking speed over time. Sardines also contain vitamin D and calcium, nutrients essential for muscle contractions and nerve signaling. After 60, mitochondria begin slowing down. Mitochondria are tiny energy factories inside your cells. When they weaken, your muscles tire faster and nerves struggle to communicate properly. The healthy fats and minerals in sardines help fuel those energy factories so your body can function more smoothly. One of my patients, Eleanor from Ohio, age 81, constantly complained her legs felt like rubber whenever she stood up. Her doctor blamed old age. She began eating sardines twice weekly with whole grain crackers and lemon juice. 2 months later, she proudly told me she walked through the grocery store without leaning on the cart. Choose sardines packed in olive oil rather than soybean oil. Eat 1 small tin with 3 or 4 whole grain crackers around lunchtime. Squeeze fresh lemon over the top because vitamin C improves collagen formation and helps the body absorb minerals more efficiently. Number 5 is collagen berry smoothies, and this may be the easiest snack for seniors who struggle chewing tougher foods. A study from Tufts University found older adults who increased protein intake while combining antioxidants showed significantly better muscle preservation and reduced inflammation markers. Berries are loaded with polyphenols, compounds that protect blood vessels from damage. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reaching aging nerves. Meanwhile, collagen peptides provide amino acids that support tendons, ligaments, and skin elasticity. Imagine your circulation system like a highway. Over the years, inflammation creates potholes and traffic jams. Berry antioxidants help clean the highway while collagen provides the construction material to rebuild damaged areas. A woman named Sandra from Dallas, age 68, told me her fingers tingled every morning while making coffee. She started blending frozen blueberries, collagen peptides, spinach, almond milk, and half a banana every morning. After 1 month, she noticed better balance, steadier hands, and far more energy throughout the day. For the best recipe, use 1 cup of berries, 1 scoop of collagen peptides, spinach, and unsweetened almond milk. Drink it within 30 minutes after light exercise or walking because muscles absorb protein more efficiently after movement. Pair it with chia seeds for extra fiber and healthy fats that stabilize blood sugar. Before we continue to the top 4 collagen snacks, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Every week, I share research-backed strategies to help you stay independent, strong, and active long after most people expect decline. And trust me, the next few snacks are where things become truly powerful. Number 4 is hard-boiled eggs with avocado, and this combination works like premium fuel for aging nerves and muscles. Eggs contain proline and glycine, important amino acids involved in collagen production, while avocado provides potassium and healthy fats that improve circulation. Researchers from Johns Hopkins University reported that older adults with adequate choline intake performed better on muscle coordination tests and experienced fewer balance problems. Eggs are one of the richest natural sources of choline, a nutrient your nerves use to send signals throughout the body. After 70, circulation often slows because blood vessels lose flexibility. Think of old blood vessels like stiff garden hoses. Nutrients cannot flow smoothly to muscles and nerves. The healthy fats in avocado help maintain flexible vessel walls, improving nutrient delivery where it matters most. A former teacher named Harold from Atlanta, age 76, suffered constant tingling in his fingertips while reading. He began eating 2 hard-boiled eggs with avocado slices every afternoon. 6 weeks later, he noticed stronger grip strength and less hand fatigue while carrying groceries. Keep preparation simple. Slice 2 hard-boiled eggs over half an avocado and sprinkle sea salt and paprika on top. Eat this snack midday for stable energy. Pair it with tomatoes because lycopene, the antioxidant in tomatoes, supports blood vessel health and reduces oxidative stress. Number 3 is gelatin fruit bites, and most people laugh when they hear this until they learn what happens inside the body. Gelatin is essentially cooked collagen, and researchers from Penn State University found collagen supplementation improved joint comfort and mobility in older adults by more than 20%. The reason gelatin works so well for seniors is because connective tissue weakens dramatically with age. Tendons become less elastic, cartilage thins out, and nerves become more vulnerable to compression. Gelatin supplies amino acids that help reinforce those tissues from within. Think of gelatin like mortar between bricks. Without strong mortar, the structure weakens and cracks appear. Your muscles, joints, and nerves depend on collagen-rich connective tissue to stay stable and protected. One 72-year-old patient named Maria from New Mexico told me her feet burned every night after dinner. She started eating homemade gelatin fruit bites 4 evenings weekly. After 2 months, she said the burning sensation became far less intense and she felt steadier walking downstairs. To prepare them, dissolve unflavored gelatin into warm water and mix with natural fruit juice. Refrigerate until firm. Eat 1 serving after dinner because nighttime is when the body performs much of its tissue repair. Pair gelatin with pineapple because pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that may reduce inflammation and improve digestion. Number 2 is wild salmon salad wraps, and this snack targets almost every major cause of weakness and tingling at once. Wild salmon contains collagen-supporting protein, omega-3 fats, selenium, and astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant shown to protect mitochondria from aging damage. Researchers from Stanford University found older adults consuming fatty fish regularly demonstrated significantly lower inflammation levels and stronger muscle performance than those who rarely consumed fish. Inflammation is one of the silent destroyers of mobility because it damages nerves, stiffens joints, and weakens muscles gradually over time. As aging bodies lose efficiency, protein becomes more important than ever. After age 75, your body may require up to 40% more protein to maintain muscle mass compared to younger adults. Salmon delivers highly absorbable protein that aging digestive systems handle surprisingly well. A patient named Robert from Chicago, age 83, experienced severe leg weakness after long periods of sitting. He began eating salmon salad wraps 3 times weekly with leafy greens. 3 months later, he proudly showed me videos of himself walking through the park with his grandchildren without stopping to rest. Mix wild salmon with olive oil, celery, herbs, and lemon juice, then wrap it in romaine lettuce leaves. Eat it for lunch or early dinner. Pair salmon with dark leafy greens because magnesium and vitamin K support circulation and muscle function together. And finally, number 1 is something so simple yet so powerful that many people ignore it completely. Collagen cocoa protein pudding may be the ultimate nighttime repair snack for seniors struggling with tingling hands, weak legs, and muscle loss. Researchers from the University of Birmingham found older adults consuming protein before sleep increased overnight muscle protein synthesis by nearly 22%. Translation? Your body rebuilt more tissue while resting. Cocoa also contains flavonoids that improve blood flow to the brain and extremities. Here is why this matters so much after 65. During sleep, your body enters deep repair mode. Hormones involved in tissue healing become more active. Giving your body collagen and protein before bed is like sending construction workers into a damaged building overnight while the streets are empty. Cocoa additionally increases nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels, helping oxygen-rich blood reach starving nerves and tired muscles. Better circulation often means less tingling, less numbness, and more strength. A retired nurse named Betty from Seattle, age 78, suffered weak legs so badly she feared falling every morning. She began eating collagen cocoa pudding nightly for 8 weeks. Eventually, she noticed stronger balance, improved sleep, and enough confidence to start attending church regularly again. To make it, combine unsweetened cocoa powder, Greek yogurt, collagen peptides, cinnamon, and a small amount of honey. Chill for 30 minutes before eating. Consume it about 1 hour before bed. Pair it with cinnamon because cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar, preventing nighttime inflammation spikes that can worsen nerve discomfort. The truth is your body was designed to heal even in your 70s and 80s. Weak legs and tingling hands are not always signs that life is shutting down. Often they are warning lights telling you the body needs better raw materials, better circulation, and better recovery support. Small changes repeated consistently can create dramatic improvements over time. I have seen people in their 80s regain confidence, climb stairs again, garden again, and hold their grandchildren without pain simply because they gave their bodies the nutrients aging had quietly stolen away. Remember, independence is not just about living longer. It is about waking up with strength, stability, dignity, and freedom. It is about walking without fear, sleeping without burning pain, and feeling capable in your own body again. No matter your age, your body still responds to nourishment, movement, and care. Never believe anyone who tells you decline is your only option. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our newest health discoveries. And now I want to hear from you. Which of these collagen snacks are you willing to try first? And what symptom are you hoping to improve most? There is another important detail most seniors never hear from their doctors. Dehydration can silently worsen nerve tingling and muscle weakness because collagen depends on water to maintain flexibility. Imagine collagen fibers like thick ropes inside your joints, muscles, and blood vessels. Without enough hydration, those ropes dry out and stiffen, making movement harder and circulation less efficient. Researchers from the University of Florida found that even mild dehydration reduced muscle performance and balance in older adults by nearly 12%. That is why every collagen snack on this list works better when you consistently drink water throughout the day. I also recommend gentle daily movement because collagen behaves like living tissue. When you move, stretch, and walk, you stimulate circulation that delivers nutrients directly into muscles and joints. Think of circulation like a delivery truck carrying repair supplies. If the truck never moves, the supplies never arrive. Even 10 minutes of walking after meals can help shuttle amino acids, oxygen, and minerals toward damaged tissues. Another hidden issue is blood sugar instability. High sugar levels trigger inflammation that damages tiny blood vessels feeding your nerves. That means numbness in the hands or weakness in the legs can become worse after years of processed foods and sugary snacks. Replacing cookies, chips, and pastries with collagen-rich snacks gives your body repair nutrients instead of inflammatory chemicals. One report from the Cleveland Clinic found that older adults with healthier blood sugar control maintained stronger nerve function and lower inflammation levels over time. Many seniors also ask me how long it takes before collagen support begins working. The answer depends on consistency. Some people notice improved energy and reduced stiffness within 2 or 3 weeks, while deeper tissue repair may take 2 or 3 months. Remember, your body did not become weak overnight. Decades of wear, inflammation, stress, and nutrient deficiencies slowly chipped away at muscles and connective tissue. Healing is often gradual, but gradual healing still changes lives. A 70-year-old grandfather named James from North Carolina once told me he assumed weakness was simply part of getting old. He struggled opening jars, climbing steps, and even standing from the couch. Instead of giving up, he began adding collagen snacks, more water, and short daily walks into his routine. 4 months later, he sent me a message saying he carried his granddaughter through the park for the first time in years. That is the kind of transformation people rarely talk about because it does not come from a magic pill. It comes from giving the body what it has been missing for a very long time. One final tip is to avoid smoking and excessive alcohol because both dramatically damage collagen production. Smoking reduces blood flow and floods tissues with destructive chemicals that break down connective tissue faster. Excess alcohol interferes with protein synthesis and dehydrates the body, making recovery harder for aging muscles and nerves. If you truly want stronger legs, steadier hands, and better mobility, protecting the collagen you still have is just as important as consuming more of it. Scientific references for all of the studies mentioned today are available in the description below so you can explore the research yourself. Knowledge is powerful, especially when so many people are told weakness and numbness are unavoidable parts of aging. Your body may be older, but it is still listening to everything you feed it every single day. Start small if you need to. Choose one snack, stay consistent for 2 weeks, and pay attention to your energy, balance, sleep, and strength. Tiny daily habits compound over time, and sometimes the smallest nutritional change becomes the turning point that gives someone lasting independence back.